Oh my God, just when I stopped, and there's a possum. Just when I see the possum, holy shucks. He just appeared. I bet that's what I was running on my roof day before yesterday. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'll bet anything. Because I had said on Facebook, wow, there's something really big or really, really fat up on my roof. Oh my gosh. You see, he is climbing the tree. I'll bet anything he's headed to my house. Where did the little shit go? Oh my God. He's in the tree. I just can't see it. Where did he go? Let's move him. I'm going to stop for now, but I'm going to look for him. Hold on. He came walking across my back fence and got by the pump house, hothouse. Oh, shit. And I was wondering about snakes, you know. If a bear could come here around me. Okay.